My name is Brody Long. I'm the project manager for Nash Plumbing and Mechanical. So this is the Wellstar Columbia County Hospital project. It's comprised of about 7 floors of a main hospital and then a 4-story medical office building. Victaulic's reps came to us, realized that we were getting the project out here. We had several meetings in the early stages of the project. The Victaulic rep had mentioned, hey, we do offer a VDC process where we'll do all your coordination for you, and this also leads into us doing prefabrication for you guys. There will be no field cutting, no field welding, anything needed. Everything will show up cut to length in sequences as you need them.
Our VDC team had a huge part of this project. You know, they're working hand in hand with Nash's virtual design and construction team because they're also coordinating different parts of the job, the duct work, the smaller distribution piping. The VDC coordinator for this job is responsible for sitting in on daily, weekly, monthly meetings with the general contractor and all the other trades to ensure that there's a clash-free system and that we're not running into anything, and routing the pipe to make sure that it's routed correctly.
I think the biggest challenge that you would say on the job was just the size of the cup and the large amount of pipe and large equipment in the cup. Victaulic's VDC team has worked like tirelessly on trying to make every single piece of pipe fit in the cup. It was a very, very time-consuming process. There had to be a lot of offsets, a lot of shifts in equipment. They completely ran all of the coordination for all of the large bore piping, sat in all the coordination meetings with the general contractor. Anything that needed to be uploaded or added to the models, they took care of that.
My name is Steve Rodkey. I am the general superintendent on the project. We use Victaulic for the chill water piping out here, the heating hot water piping and the low temp chill water piping. As we know, it gets harder and harder to find people to do this job, and skilled people at that. What Victaulic does is having the ability to get this prefab and sent out to us, and it's very simple and easy to put together. So instead of having 5 or 6 pipe fitters to do this system, I would need just one with the Victaulic prefab and the drawings that go with it.
My name's Hunter. I've been a superintendent with Nash the last 2 years. It's a big process as far as the pre-construction phase, and then to get to the phase we are now, it's a lot of coordination with the trade. Hanging the same piece of 18-inch pipe with Victaulic is half the time as far as having to weld the pipe and having more journeymen on site, so it's definitely saved us some time.
Fabrication package is essentially a turnkey solution. Fabricate pipe spools, headers, vibration isolation pump drops, and other materials off-site, delivered to the job site in sequences that meet the construction schedule.
From a timeline standpoint, if this was weld pipe per se, this would have taken so much longer. I would have had way more skilled people to do the job, which is harder and harder to find. And this eliminates all of that. Because you can have one pipe fitter and some more green guys and just knock this out in a lot faster time. If I could use this system on every job, I would.
From the time of unload to bring it to the building, it's very quick. I'd say everything comes pretty much assembled, ready to go. It's very user-friendly, quick to install. Victaulic's been a great help. We reach out, they're able to work through it with us, pull up the bin model, help us work through any issues we may have, and they get the material here if there's material we don't have, or if we had to add any extra material, it arrives in a very timely manner. With Nash, I hope to utilize all Victaulic fittings, the same team, the whole team. The Victaulic's been great to work with, and I hope to utilize them in the future.
I would definitely consider using the VDC portion again, the pipe movement design portion again, all of the header systems. That was definitely a big help. Just everything that we've used on this project has been great. We haven't had any issues at all with any of Victaulic's material.
It's been a very fluid process. The Victaulic team that I've dealt with on this project has been more than helpful. Every time I've needed something, it's a phone call away and I get an answer that same day. I've been very impressed with Victaulic and I hope to use them again.